The full DBay D18 review is still in progress, so here are the quick tests about its 120 watt suction power with 8500 PA. In short, it performs better than previous model DBay C17. Yes, it's an upgrade for sure. Much more suction power as you can see and perform perfectly well on normal daily cleaning tasks on hard floor and even carpet. From the usual dust to larger long leaf and even heavier mung beans can be picked up easily by DBay D18. Well, that's it for the quick test. DBay D18 is a performing yet budget cordless vacuum cleaner, no doubt. Do check out the promotion and buying link below. Thanks for watching. I will see you again. Peace.